A full interior design house is not just decoration, it is the art of shaping life itself. Each room carries its own rhythm, yet together they create a harmonious melody of living. The living room is the soul of the home. A comfortable sofa, soft textures, and natural light invite people to gather and connect. The dining area is a place of togetherness. A well-lit table transforms meals into meaningful conversations and lasting memories. A kitchen is more than a workspace, it is the heart that nourishes the house. Its design balances efficiency with beauty. The bedroom is a sanctuary of rest. Calm colors and soft textures create a safe retreat for body and mind. A bathroom can be a sanctuary. Natural stone and flowing water bring a sense of calm, turning routines into rituals. A home office should inspire clarity. Clean lines, natural light, and organized shelves keep the mind focused and creative. A child's room is a canvas of imagination. Bright colors, playful storage, and cozy bedding encourage both play and rest. A guest room speaks the language of hospitality. Simple, warm, and welcoming, it makes visitors feel at ease. The patio extends life outdoors. With plants and soft lighting, it becomes a space of quiet conversations and starry nights. The entryway sets the tone. A simple console, a mirror, and soft lighting greet everyone with warmth and elegance. Hallways connect spaces like arteries of the home. Subtle design makes every transition graceful. The family room is built for comfort. It's where stories are told, laughter is shared, and bonds are strengthened. A reading nook is a pocket of peace. With a chair, a lamp, and books, it becomes a personal sanctuary of thought. A well-designed closet blends order with style, turning daily routines into moments of ease and confidence. Even a laundry room can inspire calm. Organized storage and clean design make chores feel effortless. The pantry is the silent backbone of the kitchen, structured, organized, and always ready to serve. A staircase is more than a passageway, it is a sculptural feature that connects levels and stories of the home. A balcony offers escape. Plants, seating, and gentle lighting turn it into a small oasis in the sky. A fireplace draws people together. Its glow is timeless, both functional and deeply emotional. A study space balances simplicity and inspiration. A desk, a lamp, and books keep learning alive. Entertainment rooms celebrate leisure. With comfort and sound design, they bring cinema home. A home gym reflects discipline. Clear design and open space motivate movement and energy. An indoor garden brings nature inside. Reconnects the home with earth, grounding daily life. A wine cellar carries stories of taste and time. Wooden racks and warm lights turn it into a hidden gem. A guest bathroom shows thoughtfulness. Simple yet elegant design offers both function and grace. A storage room is order made visible. With clarity and structure, even hidden spaces bring peace. Lighting shapes atmosphere. From brightness to warmth, it defines mood in every room. Floors ground the house. Whether wood, stone, or fabric, they shape how we move and feel. The ceiling crowns the home. From beams to lights, it frames the story of every room. A house feels alive when it opens to nature. Glass walls and garden views connect life inside with life outside. A full interior design house is a reflection of life itself, crafted with intention, filled with warmth, and designed to nurture every soul within.